Hello, welcome to my channel Home Health Totke. Today in this video I will tell you almond oil and castor oil nourish. Using this nourishing cream made with almond oil and castor oil on face overnight will ensure a soft baby-like skin that gets nurtured from inside and gives radiance and flawless complexion on the outside. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon castor oil, 1 tablespoon hardened almond oil, few drops of rose water. Method: in a mixer blend together 1 tablespoon castor oil and hardened almond oil together till it forms a soft creamy texture. Add a few drops of rose water and mix well. Every night before going to bed, wash face with lukewarm water and apply the cream on the face, gently massaging in clockwise motion and leave it overnight. Next morning wash your face to reveal baby soft and glowing skin. Continue using this cream to keep it soft and supple. I will give you the links of ingredients in the description. You can buy from Amazon.com. I hope this video will help you a lot. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon for latest updates. Thanks for watching.